Welcome to Be Natural Herbal Solutions and Tips. Most of us use this item on rare occasions only, but using it on a daily basis can prove to be effective against a lot of diseases. Well, before we get started, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon and set it to all so that you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Okay, now let's get started. So today we're gonna talk about TRAGACANTH gum, which is rich in calcium, magnesium, and almost contains around 3% of protein along with alkaloids. It also has amazing cooling properties and works as a cooling agent. Thus, it's often used to prepare a drink which helps reduce the temperature of the body, keeping it cool throughout the summer season. Now let's see how to make this drink. First, take approximately 6 to 10 small pieces of TRAGACANTH gum in a bowl and soak them in half a glass of water for about 3 to 4 hours. After the TRAGACANTH is completely dissolved in the water, sieve the soaked TRAGACANTH in half a glass of cold water. Drink this refreshing beverage every day, as consuming TRAGACANTH daily can help keep a lot of health issues at bay. Heat stroke is one of the most common health issues in summer, but this drink can help prevent it. People who suffer from nasal bleeding issues now don't need to worry, because TRAGACANTH can help prevent it. And if you suffer from migraine, we have a solution for that too. Just consume TRAGACANTH gum along with some yogurt on a regular basis, and it will help relieve the nausea caused due to migraine. We hope that this drink will definitely prove to be beneficial. Be sure to enjoy the summers beating the heat with this awesome remedy. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in my next one. Bye!